Nourishment for the brain is important for everyone, and it is certainly helpful for those who have suffered an injury to the brain. Whether there has been physical or emotional trauma, I hope these words of encouragement and nourishment are helpful. You are strong and resilient, and I believe in your ability to overcome this challenge. Take each day as it comes and celebrate even the smallest victories, as they are signs of progress and healing. You have a support system that cares about you deeply and is here to help you through this journey. Remember that healing takes time, and it's okay to be patient with yourself as you navigate this recovery process. Your determination and positive mindset will make a significant difference in your rehabilitation. Keep pushing forward. Focus on what you can do now and the progress you've made, rather than dwelling on what you may have lost. Your brain is an incredible organ with remarkable abilities to adapt and heal. Have faith in its potential. Rest assured that setbacks are a normal part of the recovery process. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. You are not defined solely by your injury. You are a unique individual with talents, passions, and a bright future ahead. Remember to take breaks and care for your mental and emotional well-being. Self-care is crucial during this time. Surround yourself with positivity and engage in activities that bring you joy. They can be powerful motivators. Your journey may be challenging, but I believe in your ability to overcome obstacles and create a new path forward. Your experiences and insights can inspire and help others facing similar challenges. Your story matters. Celebrate the small improvements along the way, as they are building blocks toward your overall recovery. You are not alone in this. Reach out to your loved ones, medical professionals, and support groups for guidance and encouragement. Stay optimistic, stay dedicated, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.